Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, I know it's been a minute, but we're finally back on Halo. Not Project Halo, just whatever. The 86 4i. I'm actually at Fox Resto. Matt and Dell are over there working on stuff. But we've got a fun one today because what we are finally doing is the exhaust. In case you haven't seen those videos, the exhaust has been a problem like since day one, but it was drivable. I took it to Mustang Week, but the exhaust has been a big issue. It's been separated at the H-pipe and the catback. But as you can see, it definitely is in need of some help. Well, just so turns out that our famous parts car on the channel, Nemesis here, has more donations to do. I got a FlowMaster catback for it a while back, I think about a year ago now. Not only do I have a FlowMaster, but I've got American Thunder, so we should get that good exhaust note. And also I do have an H-pipe. Got an H-pipe right here. So I'm gonna put those on. I'm really excited to see how the sound changes. Also have some headers, but I don't think we're gonna do that right now. Maybe we'll do a little comparison between what it sounds like with manifolds and headers with the setup. But for right now, pretty much stock exhaust, except it is separated at the H-pipe and the catback. So I'm gonna let you guys hear what that sounds like, and we'll do a little sound comparison later in the video. So anyway, let's get rolling. I'm gonna do the whole install right here on the channel today. So yeah, let's see what she sounds like. All right, I got Matt helping me out here. I think that back pop will go away when we replace.
Should, yeah, when you
find out.
Stop introducing fresh oxygen into the exhaust.
Oh man, cool. It does get quite annoying on the highway, by the way, so hopefully we'll take care of that. Figured I would do a little mock-up for you guys of the new FlowMaster kit we're looking at. This is the I think they call them 40 series now or something like that, but anyway, American Thunder. You can see got the FlowMaster on there, and got our we got our H-pipe. So let me show you guys, for those that don't remember, underneath the car. We'll ignore that rear end for now, but this is our big problem. That's our big exhaust leak right there, as you can see. H-pipe coming out and catback. These are actually the original mufflers, guys. So it's a 55,000 mile car. For those of you that do not know, just turned actually. We got it 53. Already put over 1,000, maybe 1,500 miles on it. So also we had a little coolant leak, but I got that taken care of. Anyway, that's on my Instagram. If you guys ever want updates on any of that stuff, I always post stories on Instagram when I'm working on the car. My heater tube bypass a little while back I did, just started leaking. I'm not gonna do a how-to because you know what? They take a lot of time and honestly they don't do that well. I am gonna do though, probably a little time lapse. Gonna see if we can get the old exhaust out and start with that. All right, check it out. Got the old exhaust out. I laid them side by side just for comparison. This is, I believe, 2.5 inch. The new one, 2.5 inch. The old one's 2 1/4, I think. But yeah, like quite a difference. The tailpipes, we're gonna save. Actually given them to Matt. This is Kristen's car. My daughter, she decided to give these tailpipes to Matt. So he's gonna take those. They're still in good shape. The mufflers are toast. They are rusted. And the H-pipe is in really good shape. I'm gonna hold on to it. I don't know if we're gonna go back to it. Maybe if it's too loud. We got lucky because I thought one of the header bolts was gonna break off, but man, it came out pretty easy, surprisingly. Matt definitely helped me out as he normally does, but whew, part one done. I can't wait for part two so we can actually hear this thing fire up. I think it's gonna sound way, way better. So anyway, enough of that, back to work for me. Well, guys, I forgot to do the time lapse here. I forgot to turn the camera on. Matt, who's running this camera thing?
It may have been me, man. Sorry.
Okay, we're gonna blame him. I'm gonna show you real quick though. New H-pipe is in. Check it out. So it actually went on pretty well, not too bad. These come separate as you saw before, so I just gotta put this clamp on. But now we're gonna try to time lapse, but I just wanted to show you, did get the H-pipe in. I actually did some of the work. Matt, some people think I don't do any of the work on here, but that's not true, right?
You do most of the work. You don't pay me for this.
Yeah. Now I gotta pay you for saying that though. It's true, I don't pay him. All right, back to the time lapse. Yeah, sun's coming down. Sorry, guys. Okay, time lapse obviously died, battery died. You guys saw, man, we were fighting with that. But believe it or not, we got it all to work and it wasn't too bad. I mean, it was bad. These things are never easy. Don't let YouTube fool you. But here you go. Here's our new tailpipes. You got the FlowMaster on this side, FlowMaster on this side, all going into our new H-pipe, all connected up. It actually looks not bad. It looks pretty good. So I think we're gonna lower it down and we'll do the comparison. I got before with the stock exhaust. I'm gonna let you hear that first, and then we're gonna do the new FlowMaster exhaust and compare and what sounds better. So let's see, let's check it out. That classic sound.
Dude, stick your head in here. It's like, compared to what it was, look how quiet it is.
Oh my God. It's all coming from the back.
Yeah.
It sounds
it's supposed to happen.
Right? It's still got that back pump, but it actually sounds pretty good. Look at all the smoke. It's pouring out smoke.
It's all the oil in the new exhaust.
Burning in.
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds really good.
Does sound good.
I think she's gonna love it. That sounds way better, right?
Yeah. Oh my God, yes.
Woo! You know what we gotta do?
It's idling at a perfect 750 right now.
Awesome. You know what I think we need to do, Matt?
What?
I think we gotta get a drive-by. I think somebody's gonna stand with the camera out there when the other car goes by.
Okay, I volunteer you to stand with the camera.
I'm sure you did.
I think he may be addicted.
She sounds pretty good. I say she sounds really good. Big upgrade, way quieter in the cabin, but outside the car, all the noise looks good. Honestly, my favorite thing we've done to Halo so far, and I can't wait to get home and tell Kristen about it and show her. I'm sure she's gonna be real excited. Yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for this one. Before and after stock exhaust sounds and much needed upgrade. Love the FlowMasters. Awesome. Oh well, Matt's coming back. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Sounds good. It sounds really good. All right, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. We're losing the light. Big long day here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next here. We'll see you next here in the bloopers here in a second, and we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.
Am I recording?
Yeah, it's already recording.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. In case you haven't, not in case you haven't. Yeah, in case they haven't.
Dude, after we started fitting that thing,
Yeah.
that's the fastest I've ever got exhausted without knocking.
And we'll see you next here. Oh my gosh. We'll see you next here in the bloopers here in a second.